we're going to fly up the Amazon, and we're going to go to some of our copaiba growers today.
See how they extract the oil resin.
We're going to give you an up-close personal experience of the process we go through to get copaiba. Yeah, we're going to meet lots of great people today.
Amazing day.
Mais três que? Ah, que legal. He found 3 more trees that are big, nice trees that will produce some good resin.
Yes.
Que legal. Limpou a mata?
Tá no jeito.
Tá no jeito?
Tem.
He's already went through and cut down our path and cleared it all out.
Oh
And
my goodness.
so,
We are so grateful. Thank you so
ela
much.
diz muito grata. Ela é muito grata pelo trabalho que você fez antes.
Muito agradecer.
That he's the one who thinks coming. This is Dr. Hill.
Josimar, nice to meet you.
Well, I'm excited to see the copaiba trees. I'm excited to understand the process, and I'm really excited to get to know the people who are collecting it. That's where my heart's at. See what their needs are, figure out how we can better help them.
I mean, this is just this up-close personal look for everything that we do on a regular basis, right? I mean, it's hard to know what to expect.
We had to wait until after January as the waters came up so that we could access the trees. So their main collection season is between January and June when the water is high. So now we're going to go up and see the copaiba trees firsthand and see how they collect the resin and see how they're tapped. So we're super excited for this amazing experience we've been waiting a long time for.
So he's saying that one of the ways is that this
É
straight
conhecida. Onde você vê uma folhinha dessa é um
bud
copaibeiro, porque não tem
is
igual.
typical of a copaiba as a young tree. They
Okay.
don't branch out for quite a while. They're growing straight up
Straight
through
up.
the forest. And then the darkness and the glossiness of the leaf is another way to tell.
How tall do they
Tão
get?
grandes são.
E ela chega a dar aí seus 30 metros de altura.
30 to 40 meters tall. So he's looking up at the tree, and he's looking for the first main branch that's breaking off
Yes.
and defining kind of the rest of what the tree does.
Right.
And he's following that line down
All
the
the
trunk
way
of the
down.
tree to
Okay.
here,
Okay.
and that has a vein that he's gonna try and tap into.
Oil already.
See and watch him doing this is, it's just the purity, right? I mean, we're going to take whatever the tree gives us,
Absolutely.
and that's
And
it.
you don't change it.
That's what we get,
You don't alter it.
and that's what we're turning into the oil.
Right.
We want the therapeutic properties that only come from this tree, just as nature created it. here about an hour and a half as he's drilled through the tree to collect just this much oil. It helps you understand how much work goes into collecting this oil, and after this is distilled, it's about 50% yields. We'll get about half as much oil. And then he'll come back to this tree 6 months later and he'll be able to get about a liter worth of resin from this tree. But it's very labor intensive. It's definitely a labor of love. Work without people like Josemar, who love these trees, who've been trained up by his father and now is training his sons and has done this for 30 years. We're very, very grateful to have partners that we can trust.
I love the sense of pride that he carries with him.
He's pretty amazing.
It fits well in with everything that we're doing. Thank you.
Mas eu me orgulho disso, de todo dia eu manter minha família, né, sem ter assim estudo. Eu me sinto alegre por isso, feliz, porque todo dia eu vejo meu filho tem o alimento, seu café, seu almoço, a janta. Então para isso para mim é muito importante, que não falta para eles.